Hello everyone, since Diwali is round the corner, I thought of making some samosas. These are Atta Samosas with paneer and matar filling. And why not make a cup of masala tea to go with it? So let's start. So let's start with our samosas. Take 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half a teaspoon of salt, mix half a teaspoon of kalonji, 1 tablespoon of ghee or 1 tablespoon of oil and mix it properly. Adding 1 more tablespoon of oil. Knead properly, adding water slowly. This dough should not be hard or too soft, it should be firm. Cover it with a wet cloth for at least 30 minutes. Now let's make the filling. Put some oil in a pan. Add jeera seeds when the oil is hot enough and let it splutter. Add 1 cup of crushed paneer and stir. Mix and let it cook for some time. Now add half cup of green peas or matar. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of haldi powder. You can add chili powder if you want. I didn't add because my daughter does not like it too spicy. Add salt to taste. Mix and let it cook for some time. Add 1 teaspoon of amchur powder at the end. The filling is done. Let it cool for some time. Add some fresh coriander and green chilies if you want. Now let's start filling the samosas. Divide the dough into small balls. Grease your chakli with some oil and roll the dough into a small roti. The roti should not be too thin or too thick. Cut into two to make a semicircle, then grease the edges with water and make a conical shape as shown in the video. Add the paneer filling but leave some space at the top to make a good shape for the samosa. So our samosas are ready to be deep fried or baked. It's your choice. I am baking them, so I am drizzling them with some oil. Preheated my oven to 170 degrees Celsius and I am going to bake them at least for 25 minutes. In the meantime, I am going to make some masala tea. So I am going to boil water and added some ginger. Add the tea leaves. Let it boil and add some milk. Let it boil for some time again. I crush some cardamom to add to my tea. Let it boil for some time after you add the cardamom, then add sugar to your taste. The masala tea is ready and I think the samosas are also almost ready. Let me check. The crispy samosas are also ready. See how crispy they are. Let me enjoy it with my cup of tea. Please like, share and subscribe. Please press the notification bell icon to get updates of new recipes and videos.